What if you could reawaken your body? Go from surviving to thriving, and look and feel like a younger, healthier version of yourself. With the science of activation, you can. As the pioneers and world leaders in activation, LifeVantage is changing the future of wellness by combining two powerful activators into one daily solution: Healthy Glow Essentials. Inside your body, antioxidants act as your cellular defense system. But as you age, the level of internal antioxidants produced by your own body starts to decline, leaving a deficiency that's hard to overcome with supplementation alone. Protandim Nrf2 Synergizer is a patented formula that activates cellular pathways and genes to help your body produce more antioxidants on its own. With ingredients backed by thousands of studies and a proprietary product validated by over 30 peer-reviewed studies, it reduces oxidative stress by an astounding 40% in 30 days, activating healthy aging at a cellular level by restoring cellular health. Collagen plays a vital role in every tissue in your body, but like antioxidants, starts to decline steeply as you age. The award-winning TrueScience liquid collagen activates your genes to make more collagen while reducing enzymes that break collagen down. The result? A 100% boost in collagen density with results you can see and feel. Both products are powerful on their own, but the real magic happens when they're taken together, working in tandem to reduce unnecessary stress signaling in cells by up to 97% and helping your cells do what they do best: keep you healthy, looking young, and feeling great. Want to level up your activation? Check out the Activated Skincare Collection or learn about sharing these life-changing products to activate a thriving side business. Turn back the clock. Help your body start looking and feeling its absolute best. Explore what activation can do for you today.